Okay, so we are still considering question number 5, and having looked at part A of the same question, we can now move our attention to 5B, which has got two parts, part 1 and 2. So the first part in B is saying express in terms of A and or B the vector BA. So to begin with, here is what we need to do to get the solution. So for our solution, we are beginning with that 1A for the vector BA. So to get the vector BA, we should consider the direction. We shall move from B to A. So our BA will be gotten by the addition of these two vectors. So BA will be equal to BO, vector BO plus vector OA. Okay, so this, because we are going against the direction of the vector B, so it is going to have a negative. So we are going to have negative vector B plus A. So this is the same as A minus B. That is what we are going to get for the first part of our solution. Then we go to part B, where we need to find the vector AX. So AX, as indicated in the question, that X is the middle point of AB. So our AX will simply be half of the vector BA, half of the vector BA or AB in that direction, because we are moving from A to X. So we shall say AX is half of the vector what? AB. So our AX will now be equal to 1 over 2. What we have here is BA. So if we talk of AB, then it will be in the opposite direction of what we have here. So if it is in the opposite direction, then it is going to attract a negative to what we have here for AB here. So our AB will be B minus A, the vector B minus A. Okay, that is the solution for part B. If we want, we can expand and say our AX will be equal to 1 over 2B minus 1 over 2 vector A. This and that are just the same. We can quickly go to part C. Part C, we are being asked to find the vector OX. So our OX can be gotten by simply adding the vectors OA plus AX. So we already know what our OA is, as indicated in the diagram. OA is vector A plus our AX, which is now, we can pick any of these because they're the same. So I'll pick the last one. We have 1 over 2 vector B minus 1 over 2 vector A. When we do the collection of like terms, we are going to have vector A minus 1 over 2 vector A plus 1 over 2 vector B. So this will simplify to the same as 1 minus half. It will give us 1 over 2 vector A plus 1 over 2 vector B. This will be our solution for C. When we check the last part of the question, which is now B2, given that OC is equal to 3A. OC is equal to 3A, express BC in terms of A and B. So we've been given part of OC, we have A here, meaning the remaining 2A is supposed to occupy this part of the vector. So how do we express BC? BC, this is for question 2. BC, the vector BC in terms of A and B. So our BC, looking at the diagram, the vector BC will be gotten by moving in this direction. BC is the same as BO plus OC. So that is what we are going to indicate. So we are saying BC will be equal to the vector BO plus OC, the vector OC. So for BO, we understand it will be in the opposite direction of what we have for vector B, then plus our OC will simply be 3A, the vector 3A, which is the same as 3A minus B. So this will be the solution for the last part.